Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show the date on the status bar on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. Now, in order to do this, you do need to get an app from the Play Store. Just go there, search, and then you're going to search for Good Lock. So this is the app. And when we search for it, as you can see here, you're going to go ahead and install it. It's going to look like this icon. I already have it installed so I can show you. So once you install it, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So we're going to go ahead and use this app right now. Now, once you open up Good Lock, what you're going to do is click on Makeup here if you didn't. And then when you click on Makeup, you're going to look for this specific one, which is Quick Star. And we're going to tap on it and click on the download icon so that we can download that Quick Star one. So this will allow us to customize our status bar. Now once the installation is complete, you can go back and then click on it, and after you do that, you can go ahead and turn that on. And once you turn it on, we're going to go ahead and do clock settings, and right here is the setting to show it. So we can do that, and as you can see here now, I have shown basically the date along with the time as well on the top. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.